Hello my dear student, I welcome you all to the maths class. So you all know that we are doing chapter 1 numeration from composite maths, isn't it? So you also know that we are doing self practice 1A and we have completed till question number 8, isn't it? So but before starting the self practice further exercise, let us solve the assignment which I have given you. I hope you remember the assignment, right? So let us complete that first and we'll proceed to the further exercise. All right, so here we have the home assignment. So question number 7, D and E was a home assignment. The question was to fill the blank with a greater than, equal to, or equal to sign, isn't it? So as I mentioned yesterday only, that whenever you are comparing a number, you should see first how many digits are there first. Over here, when you compare 3204 and 3242, how many numbers are there? How many digits are there? 4. In case of this also 4. And after that we have to make a place. In which digit, in what place is there? Ones, tens, 100, 1000. That we have to make it out. Sorry, I have written from 1000. The correct process is to write from ones. Okay, so first number we will compare is with 1000. In the 1000 case, both number are equal, so we cannot compare from this number. So move on to the next digit, that is 100 place, which have 2. In case of this also you have 2, so we cannot compare still. But from tens position, what you have? 0. And in case of this number, tens position is 4. We cannot write equal to sign here because 4 is far greater than 0. So from here we can conclude that, or from here we can say that this number is greater, and the sign will be like this. Okay, so predecessor, next question, predecessor of the smallest 3-digit number is and 999. Now most of the student doesn't know what is the meaning of predecessor. Predecessor meaning the number, any number when you have, and if you have to find the predecessor of that number. Okay, say for 9 if you have, and you want to find the predecessor of 9, then you have to minus with 1 less than that number, it will be 8. Okay, so predecessor of 3 smallest digit number. Yesterday I have given you the 3 smallest digit number, that is 999. Is it? No, absolutely incorrect. It is 100. 3 digit 1 2 3. So you have to minus 1 with this because we have to find the predecessor. So it is 99. So you have to compare actually 99 and 999. So over here, how many digits are there? 2. And over here, 3 digits are there. Which one is bigger? Obviously 3 digit is bigger, right? So 999 is greater than the predecessor or smallest 3-digit number. Okay, moving on to the next home assignment, we have question number 9. So this was a home assignment, right? So you have to you have to write the following numbers in the ascending order. Ascending means smaller to bigger, right? If you have 2, 3, 9, 7, 6, 1, then what should be the ascending order? 1, 2, 3, then 6, 7, then 9, smallest to biggest number. So that we have to find, that logic we have to apply here. Everyone knows what is ascending, right? So from this number, which one do you think is the smallest here? 735 is the smallest. Why? Because it is only of 3 digit and others are of 4 digit. Okay, so our 735 will be the first smallest number. Second smallest number will be 1598. Why? Because when you compare the 1000 position of this, 3 is the number. Suppose from here, if I compare 1, here we have, then 6, then 2, then 3. So the competition is between 1, 6, 2, 3. That is, I am taking only of the 1000 position. Okay. So if you have to check it out, which one is the smallest, then 1 is the smallest number. So I will include it as a second smallest number, 1598. Similarly, now we will, excluding this, we will look after this place. Which one is the biggest? Which one is the smallest? Sorry, 2 is the smallest. So which number has 2? 2013. So 2013 is the third smallest number. Now remaining between this two, 3 and 6, 3619, and the final one 6354. So here we have the ascending order 735, 1598, 2013, 3619, 6354. So with that we are over with home assignment. So moving on to the next question, which will be a class assignment. Write the following numbers in ascending order. That descending is the opposite of ascending. Smaller to bigger was your ascending, and descending is bigger to smaller. Suppose if you have to write the descending form of this, 9, then 7, then 6, 3, 2, 1. This would be the order. So similarly, here we have to find the biggest number first, then the second biggest, then third biggest, then the smallest one. Like that we have to find the number. Okay. So among this, we will do similarly on what manner we have done in question number 9. So we will look to the every number is of 4 digit. So all the numbers is having 1000 position or the 1000 place. So no problem with that, right? So now we have to compare with 6, 1, 4, 5 and 8. Which number is the biggest one? 8. So this is the biggest number or the largest number. After that 8 is gone. Next 6. So 6, 2, 9, 7, right? After that 5 is the largest. So 5, 6, 8, 3. Next 4, 4, 0, 9, 1. After that 1, remaining one. It's the smallest number. So with this we got our descending form also. Alright, I hope you are clear with this. So students, we are over with our self-practice 1A, and now we are going to start the solving self-practice 1B. Alright. So here we have the first question from self-practice 1B. The question is, if you look into the book, I have made here in a rough manner. If you didn't like, you can just cope up with your book. Okay. So write the places on the abacus, hundreds place in the written for you. So this is the abacus, and the instrument is called the abacus, and over here you have to make a dotted line which will represent a digit. Okay, but first what they have asked us to do is write the places on the abacus. Places you have to write. So 100 places written for you. So this I have mentioned you in the previous class only. From the right corner we have to start from ones, tens, 100 they have already mentioned. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. Till here we have done, right? So in this exercise we are going to deal with the another place value or the place of a number, which is 10,000. Ones, tens, 100,000. Till here we have dealt in the previous exercise, but from this exercise we are going to deal with the 5-digit number, and the 5-digit number, the left corner will be a 10,000. TTH. Okay. So we are over with the first question also. I hope you have understood. Moving on to the next question. Write the numbers shown on the abacus, both in figures and words. So this is the abacus, and over here this beads actually, or the dot, will represent a number or a digit. So you have to count the number, and you have to write the numeral and the number name, that is in word as well as in the number form. Okay. So first of all we will look to the 10,000 first. 1, 2, 3, 4 bids are there. So first number will be 4. Okay. After that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In 100 position there are 2 bids, so it represents 2 digits. Okay. In tens position it is 1, and it is in the ones position 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. You can write this number in the either way also, like 6, 1, 2, 5, 6, 4. You can write on such a manner also. Okay. It's not a big deal. So if you have to write this number or a digit in the number name in a word, then first of all you know that it is ones, tens, 100, 1000, and new place we have got is 10,000, right? So if you have to read this, how you are going to read is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. So we are going to read with together 45 It is 10,000. That's why tens will be there. 45. 40 will be 10. 40, 10. Okay, 45,000. Because it is 10,000, so that's why together. Like how you write in write for 6, 6. You write 16, no? In case of tens and ones, in case of tens, whenever there is a tens, you'll write both the number. In case of 10,000, also you have to write for the both number. 45,200. Because 2 is in 100 position and 45 together I have written both are in the 1000 place. 4 is in actually 10,000 position, and if you have a 10,000 position, both the number you have to grab and you have to place it in a 1000 place. Okay, 1,216, as because 1 is in tens position and 6 is in ones, so we are going to write together like how we wrote in 45,000 case. Okay, I hope you have understood question number 2. If you have not understood, try number B. Okay, I'm going to write the numeral form of this, but number name you are going to write it yourself. That will be a home assignment. Okay, you are going to write it yourself. So what I have told, you can write from the last left right corner or to the right corner, from wherever you can start. Okay, from any way you can start. So I'll be starting from 10,000 only. How many bits? 3. 1 2 3 again. 1 2 1 2 1 2 3 4 5. So this is your numeral form and number name. Like in writing the word or the how to read, that you are going to write it. Okay, so this will be a home assignment. Here we have the third question. Okay, it is very easy one. Just you have to make a bid. Draw bids on the abacus to represent the given number. So in the it is in ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. So it is in 10,000 position. So five bids you have to make. How many? What number is represented by 10,000? 5, no? So write 1. Make it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can color it. Okay, you can make it more attractive. No problem with that. Again, in 1,000 position, 3 is there. 1, 2, 3. You can color like this. With your colorful pencil, you can do it. Okay, but don't make it very dirty. Make it very clean and attractive one. 100 is represented by number 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is like this. Similarly, in tens position, 7 is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is like you're enjoying, I guess, to do. So in ones position you have 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's quite enthusiastic work I'm doing here, right? So if you have enjoyed this, number B and number C you are going to do yourself. This will be a home assignment. Easy one, no? Just you have to count the number. Not actually count also. They have given the number. Just you have to make the bid over there on its own position. Don't make 5 bids in 1,000 position, because 1,000 is you have to be very careful with that. To represent or to detect the place or the position, you have to be very clear. Okay, because we are dealing with the 5-digit number, not with 4-digit number. We are dealing with the 5-digit number, and 5-digit will be together of 10,000 position. Will be of 10,000 position. Okay, so you have to. Moving on to the next question, we have question number 4. Write the following in numerals. So it is given in the words and you have to write in the number or the numeral form. So the first question is 21,005. So 21,000 means 2 will be in your 10,000 position and 1 will be in 1,000 position, and so that altogether will become 10,000. And 100 and position is not 100 and tens position is not mentioned, so 0 0 and 5 will be your ones. Do not give 5. Do not write 5 in 100 or tens position, because at the last number whatever you have will be represented by the ones position. Okay, so this is your answer. Next question, 59,815. So 59 means 5 will be in 10,000 position, 9 will be in 1,000, 800, no? So 100 should be covered by 8, and 14 means 1 4. 1 should be in tens and 4 should be in ones position. So 63,786. 63,786. Right? So number D will be a home assignment. You'll try to do it yourself. Okay. Okay, moving on to the next question. Question number 5. Write the following numbers in word. Now, it is given in the numeral form and you have to write in the word. You have to write this numeral in the word form. So, the first question is 6321. So, 6 is in which position? 1000. So, what you are going to write? 6000, no? Because 6 is in 1000 position, and 300 because 3 is in 100 position or 100 place, and 21 because 2 is in tens position. Whenever you have tens, you'll write together with this number with ones also. So next question, 43670. So it is in 10,000 position. We have to write together with this one. So 43,000, right? 43,670. This way, because 6 is in 100 position. After completion of 43,000, you are going to write 600, then 70. Next, 28401. Of course, it is in 10,000, so we are going to write all together. Altogether meaning 2 and 8. 28,401, because 1 is in ones position. So directly in tens position it was 0. So 401. I hope you have understood. Number D and E. It is very, very easy. You'll try to do it yourself. This will be a home assignment. Okay. Next, number 6, which number is formed if 4 and 9 are replaced by zeros in the number 31479? 31479. The question is, if 4 and 9 are replaced by 0, that means in this position you have to place 0. So 31070. So you have, this is our number. Express the number in numerals. We have expressed in numerals, and you have to write this in word also. So it is in ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. So what are you going to write? 31,000. 31,000 because it is in 10,000 position, and in 100 position there is 0, so we are not going to write anything. We are going to write directly 31,070. That's all, because in ones position it is 0, so only 70. Alright, I hope you are clear with this. So students, this much for today. So see you in the next class. Till then, stay safe and healthy, and do not forget to practice and do your home assignment. Okay, thank you everyone.